Welcome everyone, and welcome back to how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. Now, many of you will be wondering, how can we get Chrome to open as our first browser whenever we open some sort of a link? So first things first, you're going to have Microsoft Edge pre-installed in your Windows laptop or Safari as your iMac. So we're just going to go over here and install Google Chrome. So we're going to type Google Chrome installation. We're going to press enter. And then you will be met with such a tab. Now you can scroll down and you can look at Google Chrome. And you're going to hit translate if you have it in any other language. And now you're going to click here on download Chrome and the file should start downloading. Here, this is how it's going to look like. Chrome setup exe. Now I already have Chrome in my laptop, so I'm not going to go ahead and install this. However, you should install this if you do not have Chrome pre-installed. Now we're going to close this tab. We're going to head over to settings right here. We're going to go over to apps, default apps, and we're going to go into web browser. So as you can see, I have Firefox for me. You can go ahead and click on Google Chrome, and this will set your browser as Google Chrome. Now, many of us like using Google Chrome solely for the reason because it's directly linked to our Google accounts. We can have a lot of passwords saved in it. We can have our credentials saved in it. We can have our history saved in it and our cookies. Hence, people love using Google Chrome. And this is how you're going to set Google Chrome as your default browser. Now, let's go ahead and check if this is our default browser. Right here. And this is how it should look like. This is going to be your default browser for now. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more videos.